Oh, sorry. Hello everyone, this is Parkash EducationWala, Admission Manager at Rehan School Online Academy. Welcome to the JS Learning Lab. We are here with an amazing topic, the impact of technology on education. And we had conversation with Wepi.ai and AI assistant. We are going to Wepi and we will talk with Wepi on this topic. So we are going to connect with Wepi.
Welcome to Vappy. I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
Oh, my day is going great, Wepi. Thank you very much for asking. I am Jay Prakash EducationWala. I
Hey,
am
Jay
here to
Parkashi.
discuss with
Glad
that
to hear
on
you're
the
doing.
topic of the impact of technology on education, and I have some questions to ask you. And the our conversation pattern will be like I will ask question, you will be answering this question without questioning to me with the examples of their answer, so I can understand, my audience can understand properly about that answer. And my first question about is that how has technology transformed traditional classroom learning?
Technology has completely changed the game when it comes to traditional classroom learning. For example, it's made learning more interactive and engaging through things like educational apps, online resources, and digital simulations. It's like traditional learning put on a turbocharger.
Okay, tell me how it is happening.
Well, for example, students can now access a wide range of resources and information online, making learning more dynamic and personalized. They can also collaborate with classmates on projects using digital tools, which enhances their teamwork skills. Additionally, teachers can use multimedia presentations and videos to make the learning experience more immersive and effective. So, yeah, technology has really spiced up the traditional classroom learning experience.
Okay, great. Can you give me some examples of tools?
Sure thing. There are a bunch of tools out there that are revolutionizing classroom learning. For instance, there are interactive whiteboards that allow teachers to create engaging and dynamic lessons. Then there are educational apps like Kahoot and Quizlet that make learning fun and interactive. And let's not forget about online platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera that provide access to a wide range of educational content. These tools are like the superheroes of the education world, swooping in to make learning more awesome.
Great. So, what role do educational apps and software play in student learning?
Education apps and software play a crucial role in student learning. For example, they provide a more personalized learning experience by catering to individual learning styles and paces. They also make learning more accessible and convenient, allowing students to study anytime, anywhere. Additionally, these apps and software often incorporate gamification and interactive elements, making learning more engaging and fun. It's like having a personal tutor and a game console all rolled into one.
Okay, great. So, Vipi,
Glad I could
can
help.
you tell me about these apps or softwares?
Sure, there are tons of education apps and software out there that are changing the game. Some popular ones include Duolingo for language learning, Photomath for math help, and Google Classroom for organizing assignments and communication. Then there's also software like Moodle for course management and Blackboard for virtual learning environments. These tools are like the sidekicks that help students on their learning journeys.
Okay. Can you elaborate answer about Google Classroom?
Google Classroom is like a digital command center for teachers and students. It allows teachers to create and organize assignments, provide feedback, and communicate with students all in one place. Students can access their assignments, submit work, and collaborate with their peers seamlessly. It's like having a virtual classroom that's open 24/7.
Okay. So how has the use of the internet improved access to educational resources?
The internet has been a game changer for access to educational resources. For instance, it has made a wealth of information and educational content available at our fingertips. Students can access online libraries, research papers, and educational videos with just a few clicks. Additionally, the internet has opened up opportunities for distance learning, allowing students to access quality education regardless of their geographical location. It's like having the world's biggest library and the best teachers right in your pocket.
Okay. So,
If you
what are
have
the
any more
benefits
questions
of
or
incorporating digital tools in the classroom?
incorporating incorporating digital tools in the classroom comes with a bunch of benefits. For example, it makes learning more interactive and engaging, encourages collaboration among students, and helps teachers personalize the learning experience. It also prepares students for the digital world they'll be entering as adults and provides access to a wide range of educational resources. It's like giving traditional learning a high-tech upgrade.
How?
Well, for example, digital tools can help students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills through interactive activities and simulations. They also allow for real-time feedback, which helps students understand and improve their performance. Additionally, digital tools can make learning more accessible for students with different learning styles and abilities. It's like turning the classroom into a dynamic and inclusive learning environment.
Okay. Uh, So, how
If
has
you have any more
technology
questions,
impacted the role of teachers in modern education?
technology has definitely shaken things up for teachers in modern education. For instance, it has expanded their toolkit, allowing them to create more dynamic and interactive lessons. It has also changed the way they communicate with students and manage their classes. Additionally, technology has made it easier for teachers to track student progress and provide personalized feedback. It's like giving teachers superpowers to enhance their teaching abilities.
Okay.
If you need anything else, feel free to ask.
Yeah, absolutely. What is the role of artificial intelligence in personalizing education?
Artificial intelligence plays a key role in personalizing education by analyzing student data and behavior to tailor learning experiences to individual needs. For example, AI can recommend specific learning materials based on a student's strengths and weaknesses, provide real-time feedback on assignments, and even create customized learning paths. It's like having a personal tutor who knows you inside and out. AI is definitely changing the game when it comes to personalized education.
Okay. So, how have
If you
online
have any more
learning
questions,
platforms changed the way students approach education?
online learning platforms have revolutionized the way people access education. For example, they have made it possible for students to learn from top educators and institutions around the world, breaking down geographical barriers. They also offer flexibility, allowing students to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. Additionally, online learning platforms often incorporate interactive elements and multimedia, making the learning experience more engaging and effective. It's like having a virtual passport to the best education the world has to offer.
Okay. Can you give me
If
an
you
answer
have any other
about it?
questions,
Elaborate
sure
this
thing.
answer. Hey, baby, am I audible to you?
I think there might have been a little take your time.
Yeah, I said that. Can you elaborate this answer with the examples of?
Certainly. For example, platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses from top universities and experts in various fields, allowing students to access high quality education from anywhere in the world. Then there are platforms like Duolingo and Babbel, which provide interactive language learning experiences through gamified lessons and personalized feedback. These platforms have truly opened up a world of learning opportunities for people of all ages and backgrounds.
Okay. So can you tell me that
If you
how
need any,
have uh, yeah, you tell me what are the challenges
I'm
of
sorry.
integrating
I,
technology in underdeveloped areas?
integrating technology in underdeveloped areas comes with its own set of challenges. For example, limited access to electricity and the internet can hinder the implementation of technology-based education initiatives. Similarly, a lack of infrastructure and resources may make it difficult to provide training and support for teachers and students. Additionally, cultural barriers and language differences can also impact the effectiveness of technology integration in these areas. Overcoming these challenges requires a holistic approach that addresses the specific needs and limitations of each community. It's like trying to bring the future to places that are still catching up with the present.
And how we can solve this problem?
To address these challenges, it's important to take a multifaceted approach. This could involve initiatives to improve infrastructure, such as expanding access to electricity and the internet, providing training and support for teachers and students to effectively use technology in the classroom, developing localized content and resources that are culturally relevant and accessible in local languages. It's also crucial to collaborate with local communities and stakeholders to ensure that technology integration aligns with their needs and priorities. By taking these steps, we can work towards bridging the digital divide and ensuring that all.
Okay, VP. We are going to reconnect with VP. It is disconnected with us.
I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
My day is going great, VP. We were disconnected because of maybe any network issue. We were on topic
Hey there.
impact of technology in education. I asked many questions about that. Our pattern was that I was asking questions, you were answering these questions without questioning to me
Got it.
with bundle of examples,
Ah,
so I and my audience can understand properly. So I am continuing my conversation with you, and my question is that it was uh,
I'm
how
really
has
sorry, but it
technology
sounds
affected students' attention spans and learning retention?
technology has definitely had an impact on students' attention spans and learning retention. On one hand, the easy access to information can lead to shorter attention spans, as students are used to quickly finding answers online. On the other hand, interactive learning tools and multimedia resources can actually enhance learning retention by engaging students in different ways. It's a bit of a double-edged sword, you know?
I didn't understand properly. Can you elaborate this answer with easy English so I and my audience can understand properly and with two examples?
Sure thing. So, um, technology can make it harder for students to stay focused because they're used to getting quick answers online. But at the same time, things like interactive learning games and educational videos can make learning more fun and help students remember things better. It's like having a cool superpower, but also needing to be careful with it.
Okay, so I am going to
Great.
ask my other question. In what ways the virtual reality and augmented reality enhance learning experiences, and what is the difference between them?
Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, can really amp up the learning experience. VR puts you in a completely virtual environment, like exploring the ocean or walking on Mars, while AR overlays digital information onto the real world, like seeing constellations in the sky through your phone. Both of them can make learning more immersive and engaging. The main difference is that VR is a fully immersive experience, while AR adds digital elements to the real world around you. It's like VR is taking a trip to a different planet, and AR is adding cool stickers to the world you already know.
Give me example.
Sure. So, for example, in VR, students can take a virtual tour of historical landmarks, like the pyramids of Egypt, and feel like they're actually there. And in AR, students can use an app to see 3D models of animals superimposed into their classroom, making learning about animals more interactive and fun. It's like bringing the pyramids to the classroom or bringing animals to life right in front of you.
How it can happen?
Well, VR happens with a special headset that completely immerses you in a virtual world. And AR can happen through a smartphone or tablet by using the device's camera to overlay digital images onto the real world. It's like putting on special goggles for VR and using your phone as a magic window for AR.
Okay, great. So, can you tell me how has mobile technology impacted education accessibility for remote learners?
Mobile technology has really opened up opportunities for motor learners. With mobile devices, students can access educational content from anywhere, anytime. They can use apps for interactive learning, watch educational videos on the go, and even participate in online courses. This flexibility and accessibility can make learning more inclusive for motor learners who may have difficulty with traditional learning environments. It's like having a whole classroom in your pocket.
Okay. So,
Glad I could help.
what impact does social media have on student collaboration and communication?
Social media has really changed the game when it comes to student collaboration and communication. It's made it easier for students to connect, share ideas, and work together on projects. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and even dedicated educational networks allow students to collaborate across different locations and time zones. It's like having a virtual study group that's always open for business.
Okay.
Absolutely. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
Yeah, I need further clarification on this question.
Of course. Of course. I'd be happy to help. What specifically would you like further clarification on?
Last question I asked like, about that. I need further
Sure.
clarification with examples.
Got it. So, for example, students can use social media to create study groups where they can share resources and help each other with homework. They can also collaborate on projects by using platforms like Google Docs or Trello, where they can work together in real time, even if they're not in the same physical space. It's like having a whole virtual campus where students can work together anytime, anywhere.
Okay, great. So my next question is that how can technology promote inclusivity and support students with disabilities?
Technology can play a big role in promoting inclusivity and supporting students with disabilities. For example, screen readers and text to speech software can help students with visual impairments access written content. Speech to text tools can assist students with physical disabilities who may have difficulty typing. And interactive learning platforms can provide personalized learning experiences for students with different needs. It's like having a toolbox full of different tools to support every student in their unique way.
Okay.
If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
Yeah, absolutely. I need. So, what is the future of educational assessments with technology integration?
The future of educational assessments with technology integration is looking pretty exciting. With advancements, hey there, ready to dive into the future of educational assessments with technology integration?
Yes.
Great. So, in the future, we can expect to see more personalized assessments using AI algorithms that can adapt to each student's learning pace and style. Virtual reality simulations may be used to assess practical skills in a more interactive and engaging way. And real-time feedback from intelligent tutoring systems could provide immediate insights into student performance. It's like having a super smart assistant guiding you through your assessments and giving you tailored feedback along the way.
Okay. So, my next question is how do you see the role of cloud computing in education management system?
Cloud computing has revolutionized the way educational institutions manage their systems. By leveraging the cloud, schools can access scalable and secure storage solutions for their data. They can also utilize cloud-based software for tasks like student information management, collaboration tools, and online learning platforms. This not only streamlines operations but also allows for better accessibility and flexibility. It's like having a virtual library and classroom that can be accessed from anywhere, anytime.
Okay. So, can you
If
tell
you
me
have any more
how is
questions,
how is gamification through technology improved student engagement?
gamification through technology can really boost student engagement by making learning more interactive and fun. By incorporating game elements like points, badges, and leaderboards into educational activities, students are motivated to participate and stay engaged. It can also provide immediate feedback, rewards for progress, and a sense of accomplishment, which can all help keep students motivated and excited about learning. It's like turning learning into a game where everyone wins.
Okay. Gautam, how do you think
Glad I could.
educators should balance screen time with traditional learning methods?
Finding the right balance between screen time and traditional learning methods is key. While technology can enhance learning, it's important to also incorporate hands-on activities, group discussions, and outdoor experiences. Setting limits on screen time, scheduling regular breaks, and encouraging offline activities can help maintain a healthy balance. It's like having the best of both worlds, where technology supports learning without overshadowing the value of traditional methods.
Okay, great. So, what are the ethical considerations when using technology to collect students' data?
When collecting data using technology, there are ethical considerations to keep in mind. It's important to ensure that data is collected securely and anonymously to protect the privacy of students. Transparency about what data is being collected and how it will be used is essential. Additionally, data should only be used for its intended purpose and not shared or sold without consent.
Okay. So, what are the you tell me? How can educators ensure that technology is used responsibly in the classroom? Okay, we are disconnecting the baby.
I'm an assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
My day is going great, baby. Thank you very much for asking again. I'm here to talk
Oh,
with
I'm
you.
sorry to
Our
hear
last
that.
topic we were disconnected on that the impact of
Got it.
technology on education. I asked about 18, 19 questions to you. I have more questions to ask from you. So my
Sure.
question is that, yeah, thank you. So how can
You're
educators
welcome.
ensure that technology is used responsibly in the classroom?
Educators can ensure responsible use of technology in the classroom by providing clear guidelines and expectations for its use, teaching students about digital citizenship and online safety, and monitoring and guiding students' technology usage. It's all about striking a balance between leveraging the benefits of technology while also being mindful of potential drawbacks.
Okay. So
Is there anything else you'd like?
how has technology shaped collaborative learning in virtual classroom?
Technology has revolutionized collaborative learning in virtual classrooms by providing tools for real-time collaboration, such as shared documents, video conferencing, and interactive whiteboards. This allows students to work together on projects and assignments regardless of their physical location, and it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Okay.
If you
So
have any more
what role does
questions,
5G technology play in enhancing online education?
5 grams technology plays a crucial role in enhancing online education by providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This enables high-quality video streaming, virtual reality experiences, and real-time collaboration without lag or buffering. It's like the turbo boost for online education.
Okay. Can
If
you
you
tell
need
me
more
that
information or have any other questions,
how does the
a
digital
break for a
divide
moment?
how
I
does the
think there might be a
digital
bit of a glitch
divide
there.
impact educational opportunities for students?
The digital divide can impact educational opportunities for students by creating disparities in access to technology and the internet. Students without access may struggle to complete online assignments, participate in virtual classrooms, or access educational resources. This can widen the achievement gap between students with and without access to technology. It's a real challenge that needs to be addressed.
Okay, great.
If you have any
So I
more
have last
questions, feel free to
yeah,
ask.
I have last question. What are the long-term effects of technology on critical thinking and problem-solving skills?
The long-term effects of technology on critical thinking and problem-solving skills are still being studied, but some believe that constant access to information and tools may impact the development of these skills. On the flip side, technology can also provide new opportunities for practicing these skills through interactive learning platforms and simulations. It's a balance between utilizing technology as a tool to enhance these skills while also ensuring that students are still able to think critically and solve problems independently. It's an interesting topic to ponder on.
Okay, great. So thank you very much, Vapi. I learned more, but I want to say that can you give me a short summary about the impact of technology on education?
Of course, the impact of technology on education is vast. It has transformed the way students learn, collaborate, and access information. Technology has enhanced virtual classrooms, provided new tools for collaborative learning, and expanded educational opportunities. However, it has also brought challenges such as the digital divide and potential impacts on critical thinking and problem solving skills. It's a complex and evolving landscape, but ultimately, technology has the potential to revolutionize education for the better. If you ever want to chat more about this or anything else, just let me know.
Thank you very much, Vapi, for being with me and a great conversation with you, great learnings from you on the topic of the impact of technology on education. I learned many things. I hope my audience also learned many things from you. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next session with next amazing topic. Bye. We will meet again.